Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have some Walgreens, some Meyer. If you're from the Midwest, if you could track down that massive Tide for $1.24, like OMG with 10 exclamation marks, and some 50% off cleaner over at Walmart. If you could do me a huge favor, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would so appreciate it. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. The first transaction, I just really wanted to roll some register rewards with high value coupons and some Walgreens cash. So I grabbed for $5.99 one of the soft soap refills and then an Irish Spring bar soap, which is really hard to track down lately. And both of these items have $2 digital coupons. Okay, so here's the $2 and the $2 for the Irish Spring. Sorry guys, I didn't grab a screenshot and I don't have a photo of it. And I also threw in a $5 register reward that I had from the week previous into the mix to pay a lot less out of pocket. So at $5.99 each for the bar soap and that refill, it's $11.98. Subtracting the $2 digitals, you're paying $7.98. I used that $5 register reward and $3 in Walgreens cash, and I basically paid down the tax. And this is a non-booster deal, obviously. Much larger basket, I got one of the Mach 3s by Gillette, 2 of the Axe body washes, more of that Irish Spring bar soap, and then 1 soft soap. So I did this on my card. The other one was my husband's card. This one I have a bit more Walgreens cash, so a little bit more room to wiggle. And guys, I apologize again. I didn't get a screenshot of the $2 Irish Spring, but you're going to load the following digitals that include this $2 off for the soft soap refill. It makes it a really good price point for that massive refill. The 7 off 2 for the Axe, and yes, I had no problems, no issues with that thing coming off this go around. And then I also utilized that 15 off of 1 and then the 6 off of 1, which is a store coupon, the one below, for the Mach 3. And I know the Mach 3 might be a harder one to find. And I have a $4 register reward last week, and then another $4 one that I also threw in, and both of these worked for me to get $8 off. So here it is. For the soft soap and the Irish Spring bar soap, it's $11.98. 2 Axe body washes for $10, and then that Mach 3 for $23.99. I had my booster loaded, and I had $26 in digitals melting off, along with a $6 store coupon for the Mach 3. So my total here is $13.97. Remember, I have 2 $4 register rewards melting off, and I also utilized $5 in Walgreens cash, so I paid 97 cents plus tax. Obviously a non-booster deal, but what a deal. Okay, so this deal is back. The Batiste for $20.24 when you buy 2, and that $10 register reward is printing. If it didn't print, I'll link a video at the end on how to get in touch with Catalina. Check it out. But 2 of these is $20.24 plus tax. I would use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay 24 cents. Get your $10 register reward. Photograph your receipt because that IBOTTA rebate is still there, so it's $2 per can. And this is obviously a non-booster deal because you're using $20. But to use 20 to get back 14, it's like $3 per can of dry shampoo. That's an unheard of price. So I would make this one happen. With that $10 register reward, I would roll it into this, which is that 16 count of the Angel Soft for $10.99. We have that dollar digital plus your $10 register reward for Batiste. Throw that into the mix. So $10.99, subtracting your dollar digital and that $10 register reward, you're paying tax for this big pack of a 16 counter of toilet paper. So I think it's just a really good deal and a great way to use that register reward. And from the previous deal, just to make something happen. Okay, the next store that we have is Walmart. And at many stores, a lot of their cleaning products are up to 50% off. And this was one item that I found and I was like, I have stainless steel and it's always kind of looks like dirty. And no matter what I use to clean it. And I'm like, yeah, for $1.50, I'm going to try this out. I went, cleaned my fridge, my garbage can, and my dishwasher. This stuff is the real deal. It's 50% off at $1.50. There are no IBOTTA or any other rebates, but guys, make it happen. Really great product if you have stainless steel. And Lysol also has a ton of rebates. We'll let you guys know there are some Shopkick rebates, but I think it's all for the wrong scents that are not on clearance. And I'm going to throw this to you. Are you using Shopkick after the whole fiasco with the Old Spice deodorant? Or are you still saying no? Let me know in the comments down below. And we have this Clorox Foamy for $4.50, but it's almost half the cost at Meijer, and I'm going to show you that in a quick second. So I would really shop around where you're buying your cleaning products. I don't know if they're discontinuing a bunch of these or they're going to shrinkflate the packaging, which is also a possibility. Guys, let me know if you have this problem that I do. Millennial here, so I love the Care Bears. Big part of our childhood. And they have some reasonably priced, super cute Easter stuff. It's not 50%. It's not on sale. It's just what it is, but it's still reasonably priced for some of these items. I can't buy them, unfortunately, because I'm like, I can get that at 50% for da-da-da. I can get that at 90% for da-da-da if there's any left. But I just am so like allergic to paying these prices that I'm like, no. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I can't seem to do it. And some of this stuff is so, so, so cute and adorable. Like, wouldn't you just love this if you were like in the 80s or 90s? You know, but no, 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 no. Are you the same way? I mean, I would buy this as a gift for somebody or one of my nieces, but for me, it's a big hard no. Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, now we're at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest. No sister stores. Apologies, guys. Last week, a lot of their Tide, Gain, Downy, those good products went 50%. As of, I think, yesterday, a lot of the stores went 75% if there's anything left. So I'm just going to show you one product at 75 at the two different cost. It's this 74 loaders of this, what's it called? Spring and Renewal. So they might be discontinuing this scent, or I don't know. But at some stores at 75% off, I mean, that is the gold standard. And this specific one, there is a digital coupon attaching. I know that a lot of the stores, the digital coupons were not attaching to any of the clearance, but this one it is. So at a store at 75% off, it's going to be $4.25. The original price, I think, is $16.98. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're paying $1.25. At a 50% off store, it'll be $8.49. Subtracting your digital coupon, $5.49. If you might have any of those Meijer bucks or whatever they're called, I mean, throw in $5 in points, or if you have bottle returns or something to try and make it cheaper, by all means, but that still is a pretty penny at $5.49. Obviously, if your store is 75%, you could track that one down, make it happen. We also have these two cleaners that are on clearance. They might be tagged. They might not be. Thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. She was showing these last week, and they are on clearance, hidden clearance at my store because they weren't even tagged. For the scrubbing bubbles, we have $1 off. And for the Clorox, we also have $1 off, but I didn't grab a screenshot, so I apologize. I don't have that digital coupon. If you want to go to your Checkout 51 and do the deal twice, Checkout 51 has a rebate for both Clorox and scrubbing bubbles. So you'd have to photograph your receipt after you do your transaction to get $2 back. But you can do it with your M-Perks, which are the digital coupons, and also, again, with Checkout 51. So that Clorox is $2.09. Subtracting that dollar digital, it's $1.09, which is a really good stock-up price, and it's a refill for the bathroom. It's some sort of cleanser. And for the scrubbing bubbles, it's $2.24, so I'm assuming that's 50% off. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $1.24. If you wanted to double the deal, make sure you have those two rebates on Checkout 51, and you can make it happen, again, on just to get cheap cleaner. And in case you missed it, guys, yesterday I made a video, 150 pennies, a lot of Valentine's Day candy, candles, gift sets. If you want to try and track these down at the Dollar General, it can be very challenging and daunting, but I give you some tactics in this video along with where I found my products specifically if you want to try and find these items, and some of those candles are so nice, and the candy. I'm very happy to gift that family and friends and to donate a bunch of it. That's it for this video. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.